Hey YouTube, have a video of doing a quick repair on a Ryobi grinder, but I guess you could do this repair on any electrical unit. What we're going to do is just replace the power cable. This one has been damaged already, as you can see. So this grinder is pretty much useless without this power. So what we're going to do is replace the power cord. And all you're simply going to need is just a couple of tools. What you're going to need is a couple of terminal sets, some crimpers, and a new power supply. I have two of them there. I like to show that one because that one looks brand new. So, goodbye brand new. But the one I want to use is this one. The reason I want to use it is obviously a longer extension. This wire is good. It does not have any tears or rips or anything. So we're going to use this cable to repair this grinder. Alright, so what we first got to do is we got to open this up. And there's a screw back here. We're going to go ahead and use it. Or, I'm sorry. We're going to go ahead and open that up using its brother. Another Ryobi tool. This one's battery operated though. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put this on reverse so we could go ahead and open this up. So let me go ahead and open that up real quick. Okay, so there it is. All you got to do now is just wiggle this loose. And you just wiggle this back and forth and pull back on it. Then what you got to do is insert the cable and pull this out. Now you're going to have a couple of screws here that hold the power cable, and then one that holds the strap down to strap it down. So we're going to go ahead and remove the strap. Okay, that gives us access to our cable now. We're going to remove the two screws that are holding our cable, and do take note which way these cables are. This one's black, this one's white. You could tell by its little white color down here. Okay, so what you want to do is just remove it, and we're just gonna lay it down just like that so we can know that it goes back that same way. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is remove this rubber housing off of here. Just like so. And we'll put this back the way it was, with our white being right and our black being left. Okay, what we're going to do next is get our cone, insert the cable, and then insert the little rubber insert. Alright, so there I inserted my cable through the cone. Cable's through the other side. The rubber insert is facing the way it's going to go out. This end is what makes the seal. So hopefully water does not get into this system. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, next thing you're going to do is just cut these ends off, or pry the plastic covers off the wires. Peel the wires back because it's not crimping. We're going to crimp them next. Alright, we're going to use this wire clippers. They have a different set of options to cut your wire to size. So does this one, but this one's a little bit older, and I like to use that one to crimp it down. This one, I do not like to crimp it down. So we're going to use this one to cut it open, just like so. We're going to go into our terminal set. We're going to get a blue terminal to indicate, let's get a smaller one. There we go. To indicate our white, and we're going to get a red one, here it is, to indicate our black, since black is hot. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to twist these wires. Alright, you want to twist the wires just like so, and we're going to insert our little terminals, black into the red, blue into the white. Get our crimper, and we're gonna crimp it from the back. Sorry, doing everything single-handedly. Just like so, and crimp down. There it is. I should actually did it a little bit backer, but I'm doing this single-handedly. So let me do the other one really good. Alright, so there they are. That's how the blue one is, and I redid the red one again, just to make sure it does get a good fit. And you want to give them a nice little snug, and they are, both of them, perfect. So now what we're going to do is just go accordingly to color and snug those in there. Alright, so then you put them into place, you put down the screws and you bolt them down. I do not suggest you do this with power tools because you might damage something, but I am going to do it with the power tool because I know my tools, and I'm going to take it nice and slow, as you can see. Wait for it to lock up. Gotta hold it down, and one click, meaning it's locked. Same thing here, one click. So there, it's locked. Now we're gonna strap it down. There's a little slot here, you insert it just like so. Press this down and you insert the screw and you pull it down. Alright, just like so. Once again, take it nice and slow. If you use power tools, I do not recommend it. That's good enough. Now we pull this back, all of this together. And I just wanted to show real quick how long this cable is. Pretty long. Alright, so we're gonna scoot this in there and bolt it back down. Alright, once you have it into place, what you want to do, because you're not going to be able to push it all the way in, what you're going to do is you're going to actually pull on this and push this in at the same time, like so. Grab it here and push with your thumb. Locks it into place. Insert your screw. I can't do this single-handedly. Bolt it down. Sorry, I can't do it like this. Alright, so there, I bolted it down. Did a little bit of TP magic. Now we're gonna get our long cord and get our grinder. Plug it in. And I do not suggest you run this grinder without a shield, but just for the video purposes, there it is. So that's how you change a cord to a ripped electronic power cord or power tools. Now it's really long. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.